Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to install Mobility Print on a mobile Android device and then use that app to print to available student printers around campus. Let's get started. First, you want to click on the Play Store and then do a search for Mobility Print. Okay, it's the first icon with the P, and then click Install. Once installed, click Open. So I just want to make sure that on this Android device it's already set for printing, which it's already enabled. So we're good to go. We can go ahead and close out of the settings and then find a document to print. Okay, I'm going to go into my Samsung My Files, and I already have a menu that I would like to bring up. So at this point, you can bring up any file how you normally would bring up the file so that you can print. You also want to make sure that you're connected to Goucher Wi-Fi and not Goucher Multimedia or Goucher Guest. So let me just make sure. And I'm connected to Goucher Wi-Fi. Okay, so at this point I have my document up. Go into my settings and click Print. Now I already have one of the printers that I commonly use, but if you wanted to select another printer, click on the down arrow and select one of the other available printers. I'm going to stick with Hofburger First Floor Hallway. I'm going to change the paper size from A4 to letter, and color is already set to black and white, and it's only one page, so I do, and double-sided does not count. And then I can click on the yellow print icon. Okay, get a message, click OK, and then I am prompted to enter my Goucher credentials. So my Goucher username and my Goucher password, and click Print. I get a message that the print job submitted successfully, and all I need to do is just go to the printer and wait for it to be printed. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.